So my favorite little bakery in Playa del Carmen invited me over to sample their latest special. Dia de los Muertos is coming up, and along with it, the Mexican specialty of Pan de Muertos. Dharma Deli has expanded nicely since my last visit, and it's now got new places to sit, an expanded kitchen, and a drinks menu. It's still located just on the other side of the highway on 38th Street, as you can see from the map. Everything looked nice, and I brought along some of my friends, Chris and Ching, to interview Nadia, the co-owner, and sample her new holiday treat. If you like this content, hang out to the end of the video. Also make sure to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll let you know how delicious everything is.
What do you call them?
Pan de muerto.
Pan de muerto.
Camote morado.
Oh, okay. Really?
Camote morado is, purple potato.
Pan de muerto, the traditional, is just orange pasta. That's it.
Oh.
But all the Mexicans are creative, so they put everything in
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
and the bakeries also to make something special for the day.
Yeah. The other one there is like
The chocolate.
carbon. Yeah, the
Yeah.
chocolate and carbon. I would love it. We're trying that one today. Cinnamon and sugar.
Sugar with more sugar.
I know, yeah. The big one.
So would, like, for the big ones, people take it to a party or something?
See,
Okay.
they bring it to them. They choose a house, and in the house, somebody make a hot chocolate or coffee, and bring the bread and just slice it and share.
Yeah, it's like to share, for family. That's family size, that's individual
Yeah.
size.
That's a big individual size.
Yeah, couples.
So people eat them now,
Yeah.
as soon as they come out.
Well, you can only eat it 4 days if you can eat it all month.
Yeah, that makes more sense. So I followed Nadia into the expanded kitchen, back to the main seating area, to evaluate the latest offerings. A chocolate pan de muerto, along with an ube pan de muerto. I thought the ube would be baked in, but it's more like a jelly donut. It should have more filling in there. Is that?
Sí. Es que sí hay más. Está el rellenito. Ah.
Of course, it looks good, but the proof would be in the tasting. Okay, I'm gonna put it in my mouth. It looks like my friends already got a head start on the chocolate pan de muerto. How is it? Should I just, this is mine?
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers. Dia de Muerto. Muertos. It's delicious. I guess this is carbon, she said, right? So it's a little more cooked. I'm not a chocolate guy. It's very good. I'm gonna try the other one also on since we're shooting camera. It's camote.
This is
Camote, which is sweet potato.
Oh.
I guess it's jam.
purple, yeah. Purple.
Purple jam.
Yeah.
I like this one better. That's
Oh,
me,
really?
though. I'm
Yeah.
a chocolate guy.
Uh-huh.
Wow. They're both delicious. Right out of the oven. It's not bad. This is very good. It's a little, for me, it's a little sweet for breakfast, but
Yeah.
it's very good.
Well, it's something like after your savory meal, you can have it.
Yeah.
That's how they always say, you have to have your sweets, but after something like protein and
This one, so So it's the body,
Uh-huh.
the bones,
Oh.
and the cream.
The brain, we think it's the skull, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Like the whole thing.
Exactly.
And then-
the sugar represents all the tears
Is it the tears of the dead people or the people who are alive?
who are alive. Yeah.
Who are sad that the person is dead?
Uh-huh. Yep.
It's a good way to make up for the loss.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because it's pretty delicious.
I just tried the pinky matcha last. You need a papote, which is a straw, to get some good stirring. That's a pro tip for you. And it is like a sweet drink. I mean, it's sort of like, instead of using espresso, you're using the matcha there. You stir it up. You don't have to stir it all the way because you have that nice straw. And it was absolutely delicious. And pairing it with the pan de muerto was just a wonderful pairing. The pan de muerto really, to me, tastes like a delicious jelly donut. Of course, it's not fried, so maybe it's kind of healthy. So that's the latest from Dharma Deli. Go down there, try the pan de muerto, delicioso, and make sure to like, subscribe, you know how the drill. And I will see you guys at Dharma Deli and or in Mexico.